Hi, I'm from GAMEANIMATE. If you're watching this video, I'm going to teach you the basic usage of QuickMagic. What are different types of usage? Let's get started. I'll guide you step by step through the basics of QuickMagic AI, but before we get started, click the link below. Use the code GAMEANIMATE to get 20 extra VCOINS. Users who register through my link will automatically receive an extra 20 VCOINS on top of the standard 50 VCOINS added to your account upon registration. The first feature we'll talk about is AI mocap. For this function, you'll need to choose a movement video you already have, or select one of the preset videos provided. Once you've uploaded your video, click on the character panel on the right-hand side. You can either click to select or drag the character directly onto the video. Click Next, adjust the various settings, and press Generate. Then simply wait. While waiting, head over to Mixamo. Choose the character you want and download it. Once your video is ready, go back to it and download the character performing the dance, motion, based on the video you selected. Next, open Blender. Go to File greater than Import, greater than FBX, and select the files you downloaded. Since you'll have downloaded 2 files, click on the first character, then hold Shift and click on the second character. Press Ctrl plus L, then select Link Animation Data and hit Start. You'll now see the character performing the motion from the video you chose. Next, let's use another function, Text to Motion. For this feature, you'll need to enter a prompt or the text description provided. Then choose your character. I selected the blue Mixamo character. Don't forget to fill in the title, then press Generate. While you wait, go to Mixamo and download a character, just like we did in the first function. Once the video is finished processing, go to that video and download it. Then go to Blender. File greater than Import, greater than FBX, and select the files you've downloaded. Since you'll have both files downloaded, click on the first character, then hold Shift and click on the second character. Press Ctrl plus L, select Link Animation Data, and press Start. You'll now see the character performing the motion in the style of the video you selected, just like in the previous function. How's it going? If anyone hasn't tried following along with my tutorial video yet, I'd recommend going in and giving it a try through my link. So what are you waiting for? Click the link and don't forget to enter the code too. This AI is great, don't miss out. Lots of people are already using it. And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Bye.